What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today y'all see me in the shop. Started off getting another mod, as y'all seen previously in the last video. We official. Now it don't bother me to get any more mods because now I know I got my tag. And the first mod that I wanted to do, it just looked too regular. You know I gotta put my pizzazz on everything, on every inch of the car. Up here at Bare Knuckles with my boy Austin. I called him like 30 minutes ago. Maybe 30, might have been an hour. Hey, come on to the shop. Also, we'll be wrapping the whole car coming soon as well. It's gonna be in a couple months. She look good in here, man. Oh, she look good. She looks pretty good, don't she? Yeah. 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 Boy out here doing big work. Look at the smile, man. Look at the dedication. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. You said do these black?
Yeah, with no logo.
No logos.
And then with all the logos in the middle.
So where the logos gonna go?
We'll have the G1GB Nigel right here. And
right.
We throw the doves on the outside.
Oh.
Outside right there. So
the doves would be in the red spots, right?
Right.
All this shit, everything would be black, but my logos will show through.
The logos will be basically red, showing.
Yeah, I heard that right. Well, yeah, hey. I gotta do it my way. You do all this little tiger striping shit, zaggy. Man, nah, I want my logo. Y'all need anything, bare knuckle. If you need anything, you bare knuckly, hit them up. My boy do not bullshit. Yeah, that's all. You know. Once again, the dedication. Yeah. Okay, my boy got that Michael Jackson glove on. Okay. Alright, bro, I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna let my boy do some work, man. I'm gonna get the camera out of his face. You know, I really just said he had a Michael Jackson glove on. I'm stupid for that one, bro. No cap. Damn, this shit got dark as hell when the light went off.
That's what's good about taillights. You still see that red coming through.
Yeah, I was just finna say that shit, bro.
Oh wait, people ain't running into the back of you.
Hey, if y'all hit me in the back, no homo, pause or whatever. You still can see, as you just see on the video, the red shows very well through the tint, still even being dark. So you couldn't do the whole red part right here?
So it would be a lot harder because this is like a recessed curve.
Hey.
So working that mass material, it would be a lot more of an issue.
Oh, well, we can kind of finesse it and kind of like, oh shit, fucking up. I don't fuck nothing up. I don't know, I explain when you get to it. I don't want to touch this and fuck some shit up. It's not my stilo. Yeah, y'all see the difference? That looks a whole hell of a lot better. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay, gang. Yeah, that's tough. So we about 50% done. My boys now got this side done. Now we're about to customize the middle, you know, so it can look a little different. You know how I roll. You know how I do it, man. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to the lab real quick. Thinking G1GB Nigel right here, and then have my logos kind of finessingly going through. Like I don't know if I should just put my name in just one logo, but cause I would like to have like the logos going crazy. Like I know it'll be tough to put them right here cause this panel you don't see them. But I don't know if we could put my logo kind of like turn this way, turn that way, turn this way, turn that way. I don't know what you're thinking. I may need to see it on the computer. Hopefully my envision is correct. You know, I be designing a lot of shit in my head, and then sometimes I might put it on paper and that shit don't look right, and I gotta tweak it. But you know, we finna see what this shit gonna look like. We on the computer. Oh shit. So now we in the lab. Real lab time. Lab work. Lab work. So my boy has taught me how to put my logo on here. He taught me how to put my logo on here because it looks a lot cleaner. I agree. It looks a lot cleaner just with my name. And I think the logo would just throw it off, honestly. Well, according to him. It might though. It ain't gonna count. It might. So this is what we gonna roll with. Nice and smooth, nice and clean, get the job done. I ain't gonna lie. This gotta go. Now we're gonna get that charger out of here too, bro. Hup, gotta go. Huh. Gotta go. Oh, it looks so much cleaner. Do you mind?
The charger?
Yeah, I don't like that shit either, bro. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Dodge, y'all put some weak ass letters back there. I ain't gonna lie, boy. That shit came off a little too easy. I took my SRT badge off, right? It took me down there 20 minutes to get that hole off, man. Maybe I just had the weakest fishing line ever. That's probably what it was. Oh, actually, I lied. I did it with some dental floss. That dental floss wasn't it. Oh yeah, you know something. You know something. You know something, boy. Y'all call me crazy, but this actually looks kind of low-key tough. How it's ghosted on here, but my boy about to polish this off. I don't need this on here no more. Okay. Okay, that did look good, boy. Okay. Y'all see what we working with. Woo-hoo. That bit looks so much better, boy. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. So my boy remove this and polish everything off. So we ain't got the glass charger or the dot shit there no more. We didn't need that shit no more. We know what the fuck this is. Ooh, let me excuse me, let me watch my language. We know what kind of car this is. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was even darker on camera. Golly. Oh, shit. That looks super dark on camera. One last thing we gotta do, because I want my name to be just a tad bit more noticeable. So I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna grab my door handle real quick. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. We're gonna put a black piece of vinyl over my name, so it'll be a little bit, tad bit more noticeable. Woo! Oh man, this is a work of art. Just because y'all know everything I went through with this car, man. But everything is coming together very nicely. Coming together so nicely, man. So as soon as he lays that black piece of vinyl over my name, we're gonna see the final product. Then we're gonna get y'all up out of here. And y'all make sure y'all hit that sub button. Y'all hit that sub button. It only takes y'all 10 seconds. Hit the sub button. Come on, man. We got a long journey with the whip, man. We got a long journey, bro. Long way to go. We've already came so far. We got a long way to go, man. I definitely appreciate every single one of y'all that's been joining in and tuning in on the journey of, you know, getting the G1GB cat, you know, perfect. We almost there, man. We almost there. And here we go. Nice and perfect, man. I love it. Nice and simple and to the point. To the point. Go ahead, bro. Do what you do, man. Yeah, just to start my video, you know. Nah, it's all good, bro. He did his job, man. It did look good. And y'all see when it go off, you can't see it no more. Perfect. Exactly what I need. I wasn't able to get a good photo at the shop of, you know, the finished product and a good video because I was trying to get home before it poured down rain. And it actually still caught me and got me anyway. Y'all see it out in the sunlight. It's all black. I love that. And you saw like he actually cleaned all this up before we polished it, buffed it, took the charger off, and we also took the Dodge off right here. I just like it that way. It's a more of a cleaner look. And y'all know we gotta say the best for last, man. The best for last. Woo! Ooh! Yes, sir. Ski. Don't mind the car being dirty. It's dirty. It don't take long for a white car to get dirty, man. I swear. Came out pretty smooth. I love it, man. Goes with the black wheels and goes with the tint. It just brings everything straight together. Like I said before, it's always the small details that matter. But I hope y'all guys really enjoyed this video. That's gonna be all for this one. Y'all make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we out of there. Ooh. Y'all just check it out, man. Yes, sir.
To the rest of our month from now, this Hollywood Big Shot's gonna give you what you want. That's right. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.